Tired of missing out on that grail item or overpaying on stocks? To start, open the StockX app and use the search bar to find the item you're interested in. For example, let's look for the Jordan 1 Low UNC. Once you're on the product page, you'll see two main options: buy now and place bid to strategically secure your item. We're focusing on place bid. Before placing your bid, it's crucial to understand the market. Scroll down to see the sales history. This chart shows you what the item has recently sold for, giving you insight into its true value and demand. Look for trends, the price rising or falling. Next, select your desired size. Different sizes often have varying market prices due to supply and demand, so be mindful of the current lowest ask and highest bid for your specific size. Now, it's time to place your bid. After selecting your size, you'll be taken to the bid screen here. You'll see the current highest bid and the lowest ask. Consider bidding slightly above the current highest bid, but below the lowest ask. For example, if the highest bid is $200 and the lowest ask is $220, you might bid $205 or $210. This signals your serious intent without immediately paying the full asking price. After entering your bid, you'll see a summary including estimated shipping and processing fees. You can also set an expiration date for your bid. Setting a shorter expiry can sometimes create a sense of urgency, while a longer one offers more flexibility. Finally, confirm your bid. StockX will notify you if your bid is accepted or if you're outbid, allowing you to adjust your strategy. By following these steps, you significantly increase your chances of securing that coveted item at your desired price.